when you and I first chatted, and for our audience, share a little bit about Enovis, the organization's product platform, its mission, et cetera.
Sure, thanks, Joe. So the business has a very clearly stated mission, and that's to become the world's partner for surgical training technology. So what does that look like? Well, we design and manufacture surgical training technologies. And when we think about surgical training, there's a really big continuum. Okay, so there's very early stage, which is, and I think the hot topic of robotic surgery is a good way to describe this, which is early stage, understanding what is this piece of technology here that I could use to do surgery? How do I set it up? How would I go about handling it and using it? Then there's a really big chunk in the middle, which is where Enovis primarily sit and where we focus, which is the simulation-based learning. So learning away from the patient bedside, using simulation technologies, and we take a slightly contrarian approach to the type of technology we build, and allowing surgeons to understand, how do I do the procedure? How do I do the procedure with this particular device? And then gain feedback on that. So we use a combination of augmented reality, computer vision on our effectively our digital learning platform that sits in simulation. And then the other bit of that continuum is the bit that goes into theatre. So that's where the likes of Proximie or these other telemedicine and telehealth companies come in, where they allow that training and that proctorship to continue once you've gone beyond the simulation space. So we sit in that big chunk in the middle and do things slightly differently to others.